Hello everyone, I am Bharat from the Department of ADS. I am going to explain the matrix addition using a unified memory and we just checking the performance by using the NB proof command. Here we are using NVIDIA GPU and CUDA NVC commands in Google Colab with NVCC compiler. Here procedures are given, just setting the device and initializing the CUDA device and get the device properties. We are just setting the matrix size and allocate the memory on the host for matrix A, comma B host ref and the GPU ref using the CUDA MLC manager. And then we are just initializing the data on the host and we are just generating a random floating point number for matrices A and B using initial data function. Measure the time taken. Measure the time taken for initialization. Just and when we are just computing the matrix sum on host, and we are just invoking the kernel and warm up the kernel with a dummy launch for unified memory page migration. Measure the GPU execution time and launch the CUDA kernel to compute the matrix sum on the GPU. And they are just verifying the result and reset the device and exit it. Here the program are given. We are just installing the NVC Jupyter compiler and loading it using NVCG Jupyter. And we are involving necessary program that are required, and the matrix addition program for unified memory is given here. We are this is a sum of matrix on GPU. Here the sum of matrix on the host, in which we are just analyzing the respected value with it, and by for loop we are just iterating on each values, and then adding row wise and returning it. Here the check function are also given. With the grid 2 block, we are for grid 2 block we are just having a sum matrix GPU. Here we are allocating a thread ID and block IDX and block dimension. For the same, we are just allocating for IY. That's all, which are predefined code for the matrix addition using the CUDA programmer. The output I've shown, here the sum of variation in the sum of matrix on host and sum of matrix on GPU. In sum of matrix on host, we are just getting 51463, and sum of matrix on GPU we are just executing in 0.00017 seconds, which is a quite small. And is in sum of matrix on host and second output we are just getting 71, but here we are getting zero point zero 0.00 variations. Thus, the matrix addition is executed in a unified memory. Thank you.